Guy said he did this as an advert for his father's car repair service. It's a Morgan +8. I seem to remember one of my friends used to have one of these years ago. Possibly, maybe. Although thinking about it, it might have been the Lotus 7. I don't know. I had a group of friends who were into sports cars many years ago. When I was into aeromodelling, these guys were all into aeromodelling, but they were also into sports cars. Although, funnily enough, most of them ended up buying minivans, so they could get all their model aeroplane stuff in the back. So they had their sports cars, and they had minivans. This one's curved quite a bit where it's curled up, but that might actually be an advantage. Gives it a curved bonnet. I actually printed this. I slightly scaled it up. Scaled it up to 120% instead of 100%. So it's a little bit bigger than it would have been if I'd left it alone. I did that because I wanted it to be just that little bit thicker, because on the last car that I did, it had turned out some of the bits we actually lost because it had printed it too thin. That was a totally different car, but I just thought I'd try and preempt that by doing it a little bit thicker. And as I say, that bit has actually curved, warped anyway. So that probably would have disappeared entirely if I hadn't sized it up a bit. Right, let's try and work this out. Those bits are definitely going to go over there, or over there. These bits definitely go there. Yeah, that goes on there. That goes on there. And one of these is going to go over there like that. That looks right. That's got to be over there. That doesn't feel like it's gone fully home. That's a bit better. That one is definitely going to go there. These got to be that way around, hasn't it? Yes. In just a bit. And then the bonnet, so say that's gone a bit off shape, which is a shame because that would have been perfect. Needs a bit of cleaning up. I've warmed it up a little bit to flatten it. Come on. There we go. Not perfect. As I say, that's where it's lifted off the bed when I printed it. But other than that, I do like the look of that. Little beauty. Yes, I like that. Very simple. What we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pieces. Yeah, lovely little thing. I do prefer that to the Mustang, which really didn't turn out very well. If I'd have enlarged that one so it printed a bit thicker, then we wouldn't have had this problem at the back here. Still, you learn these things as you go along. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.